Stop guessing on room 89 and prove you are not a dum-dum. This is exactly how you beat it without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or just plain wrong because they tell you to click the buttons in numerical order, which is a massive waste of time and leads to an instant reset. Before we enter the room, you need to understand the logic of the invisible timer, or you will just get stuck again. Here at Rexish, we know you have been grinding through these rooms, and you need the solution right now. So we're going to do this hand in hand and step by step, so you cannot fail. This puzzle is designed to trick you with a fake door, but the secret trick that other creators missed is that the answer is actually hidden in the ceiling lights above the platform. You need to wait for the third light to flicker, and then walk backward into the wall behind the starting point to reveal the secret exit. This method clears the logic gate and tells the game you found the path instantly without any technical headaches. This is the fastest way to clear the room and makes your journey to the final levels feel snappy and reliable again. Rexish is dedicated to finding the simplest paths to solve these Roblox puzzles so you can stay ahead of the game and stress-free. If you want the next level solution or the answer to room 100, just leave a comment below.